Imagine a Mumbaikar coming into Pune and working with Punekars famous for their Puneri Patya on wayfinding. We had a great ball of a time thanks to Pune Design Festival 2021. I'm Baarish and my team from Graphics Beyond had a great exciting time during this day-long workshop.
Like I felt like I'm back in college again and doing all the research and site visits and recce. It was really fun and got to learn a lot about wayfinding as well.
We had a fantastic tour of revelations during the site visit at Mandai, and I'm really surprised and encouraged to see the depth and the meaningful responses that everybody shared and contributed to. Way to go.